Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about choosing the right products to promote as an affiliate marketer. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to boost your earnings and provide value to your audience, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore the key factors to consider when selecting products to promote. Let's dive in. The first step in choosing the right products is to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and desires? Take the time to create buyer personas and identify the pain points your audience is facing. This will help you select products that directly address their problems. Remember, successful affiliate marketing is all about providing value. By offering products that solve your audience's problems or fulfill their desires, you build trust and establish yourself as a reliable source of recommendations. Once you understand your audience, it's time to research and evaluate potential affiliate products. Start by looking for products that align with your niche and complement your content. The products you promote should be relevant to your audience's interests and fit seamlessly within your overall content strategy. Explore online marketplaces, affiliate networks, and individual company websites to discover products that match your criteria. Take note of the product features, benefits, and customer reviews to ensure they meet your quality standards. One important factor to consider is the reputation and credibility of the product or brand. Promoting reputable products enhances your own credibility as an affiliate marketer. Look for products from established companies with a track record of customer satisfaction and positive feedback. Conduct thorough research on the company, its customer support, and its overall reputation within the industry. This due diligence will protect your audience from potential scams or low-quality products and maintain the trust you've built with them. Another crucial aspect to consider is the commission structure and potential earnings. While it's not all about the money, choosing products with attractive commission rates can significantly impact your affiliate marketing income. Look for affiliate programs that offer fair and competitive commissions. Consider the average order value, AOV, and the potential for repeat purchases or upsells. Higher-priced products or products with upsell options can lead to greater earnings per sale. Additionally, it's important to evaluate the affiliate program's promotional resources. Look for programs that provide marketing materials such as banners, product images, and email templates. These resources can save you time and effort in creating compelling promotional content. Assess whether the affiliate program offers ongoing support, training, or a dedicated affiliate manager who can assist you in optimizing your promotional efforts. A supportive affiliate program can be a valuable asset in your affiliate marketing journey. Finally, consider the overall demand and market trends for the products you plan to promote. Are they evergreen products with consistent demand, or are they subject to seasonal fluctuations? Understanding the market dynamics helps you align your promotional strategies accordingly. Stay up to date with industry news, consumer behavior, and emerging trends to ensure your product selection remains relevant and in demand. Continuously evaluate and adapt your product portfolio as market trends evolve. Congratulations! You've learned the art of choosing the right products to promote as an affiliate marketer. By understanding your audience, selecting relevant and reputable products, evaluating commission structures, considering promotional resources, and staying aware of market trends, you're well equipped to make informed product choices. Also, if you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button. There is also a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.